Across the vast cosmic ocean studded with galaxies, stars and planets, we find ourselves on this pale blue dot, Earth. For millennia, humanity has gazed at the cosmos in wonder, seeking answers to life's biggest questions. Where did we come from? How did the universe begin? What is the nature of reality? While these inquiries have puzzled philosophers and scientists for ages, some claim that the answers were revealed centuries ago within the verses of the Quran. Welcome to our exploration of the scientific facts mentioned in the Quran that modern science has only recently discovered. From the universe's birth to the intricacies of the human body, we'll embark on a captivating journey through scientific discoveries that seem to echo the Quran's ancient wisdom. By examining these connections, we aim not to prove or disprove any religious text, but to foster a deeper appreciation for the intersection of science and spirituality. Join me as we delve into the Quran's verses and explore how they seem to foreshadow scientific breakthroughs, igniting curiosity and wonder about the natural world and our place within it. Our universe, an endless expanse of celestial wonders, had a beginning. A moment of creation, a point in time when everything we know, space, time, matter and energy, burst forth from a singularity. The Quran describes this cosmic genesis in the verse, "Have those who disbelieve not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them?" 21:30. This imagery of a unified entity separating into the heavens and earth aligns remarkably with the Big Bang theory, which posits that the universe expanded from an extremely hot, dense state billions of years ago. While the scientific community arrived at the Big Bang theory through decades of rigorous observation and complex mathematical models, the Quran's articulation of a similar concept centuries earlier prompts us to ponder the source of this knowledge. Could it be a mere coincidence? Or does it suggest a deeper understanding of the cosmos than previously thought possible? As we explore further, we'll encounter even more intriguing parallels between modern scientific discoveries and the verses of the Quran. Water, the elixir of life, courses through our veins, sustains our ecosystems and shapes our planet. Its fundamental importance to life is undeniable. Remarkably, the Quran emphasizes the significance of water centuries ago, stating in verse 21:30, "We made from water every living thing." This simple yet profound statement resonates deeply with modern biology, which recognizes water as the universal solvent, essential for virtually all biological processes. From the intricate dance of DNA replication to the transport of nutrients within cells, water plays a crucial role in every aspect of life as we know it. The Quran's assertion that all living things originate from water predates our modern understanding of biochemistry, prompting us to appreciate the depth of its insights into the natural world. As we continue our exploration, we'll uncover even more instances where the Quran seems to foreshadow scientific discoveries, revealing a profound connection between faith and the workings of the universe. In the vast expanse of our oceans, a fascinating phenomenon occurs, where freshwater rivers meet the salty embrace of the sea. The Quran alludes to this in verse 25:53, stating, "He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier, so neither of them transgresses. While invisible to the naked eye, this barrier refers to the halocline, a distinct zone where fresh water and salt water meet, creating a gradient in salinity. This halocline acts as an invisible wall, preventing the two water masses from readily mixing due to differences in density. This phenomenon, well established in oceanography, highlights the Quran's remarkably accurate observation of a natural phenomenon centuries before the development of modern scientific instruments and methods for studying the oceans. It underscores the intricate workings of our planet and raises intriguing questions about the source of this ancient knowledge. The development of a human being from a single fertilized cell into a complex sentient being is a breathtaking process. The Quran delves into the stages of embryonic development in surprising detail. Verse 23:14 states, "Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones, and we clothed the bones with flesh." This description aligns remarkably with the stages of embryogenesis observed in modern embryology. The clinging clot mirrors the blastocyst stage, the lump of flesh corresponds to the formation of the embryo, and the subsequent development of bones and muscles reflects the later stages of fetal development. The Quran's recognition of these stages centuries before the invention of microscopes and modern imaging techniques testifies to its profound insights into the complexities of human life. This congruence between ancient text and modern science invites us to contemplate the mysteries of creation and the depth of knowledge embedded within the Quran. We often gaze up at the sky, its vastness both captivating and humbling. But the sky is more than just a picturesque backdrop, it plays a crucial role in safeguarding life on Earth. The Quran recognizes this protective function in verse 21-32, stating, "And we made the sky a protected ceiling." This description aligns with our scientific understanding of the Earth's atmosphere as a shield against harmful radiation from the sun and space. The Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant blanket, absorbing and deflecting harmful cosmic rays, ultraviolet radiation, and meteoroids that could devastate life on Earth. This protective layer allows life to thrive and flourish. The Quran's acknowledgement of the sky's protective role, long before we understood the dangers lurking in space, speaks to its profound understanding of our planet's delicate balance and the essential elements that make life possible. Iron, a fundamental element for life and a cornerstone of civilizations, has a fascinating origin story. The Quran states in verse 57-25, "And we sent down iron wherein is great military might and benefits for the people." While seemingly poetic, this verse aligns with the scientific understanding that the iron found on Earth originated from meteorites. The Earth's core, rich in iron, formed early in our planet's history. Most of the iron accessible to us on the Earth's surface arrived later, delivered by meteorites that bombarded our planet after its formation. These celestial messengers, forged in the hearts of distant stars, carried with them the element that would become essential for building tools, infrastructure, and even the hemoglobin in our blood. The Quran's allusion to iron being sent down resonates with this astronomical reality, highlighting a profound connection between our planet and the cosmos. The sun, our solar system's radiant heart, appears to rise and set each day, governing our days and nights. However, the Quran describes a more nuanced movement of the sun, stating in verse 21-33, "And it is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies are swimming in an orbit." This description aligns with our current understanding of celestial mechanics. The sun, rather than being stationary, is actually on its own journey through space. It orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, carrying our entire solar system along with it. This journey, at a mind-boggling speed, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-moving nature of the cosmos. The Quran's recognition of the sun's movement within an orbit, centuries before the development of telescopes and our understanding of galactic motion, speaks to its remarkable insight into the celestial ballet playing out above us. Mountains, majestic giants that pierce the sky, are often seen as symbols of strength and permanence. The Quran offers a unique perspective on their role, stating in verse 78-6-7, "Have we not made the earth as a wide expanse and the mountains as pegs?" This description, while poetic, aligns with the geological understanding of mountains as stabilizers of the Earth's crust. Mountains, formed by the collision of tectonic plates, have deep roots that extend far below the Earth's surface. These roots act like giant anchors, stabilizing the Earth's crust and preventing it from shifting and buckling. This stabilizing effect is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's geology. The Quran's description of mountains as pegs highlights their critical role in maintaining the Earth's stability, a concept that resonates with modern geological understanding. For centuries, humanity believed in a static, unchanging universe. However, the Quran challenges this notion in verse 51-47, stating, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." This verse aligns perfectly with one of the most profound discoveries of modern cosmology, the expansion of the universe. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther away they are, the faster they are receding. This observation led to the development of the Big Bang theory and the understanding that the universe is not static but is constantly expanding. The Quran's assertion that we are its expander resonates deeply with this scientific revelation, suggesting an awareness of the universe's dynamic nature centuries ago. Our sense of touch, often taken for granted, is a complex system that allows us to experience the world around us. The Quran highlights the skin's role in sensing pain in verse 456, stating, "Indeed, those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire. Every time their skins are roasted through, we will replace them with other skins so they may taste the punishment." While this verse speaks about the afterlife, its description of the skin's sensitivity to pain aligns with modern neurology. Our skin is embedded with a network of pain receptors called nociceptors that send signals to the brain, allowing us to perceive pain. This sophisticated system serves as a vital warning mechanism, protecting us from injury and harm. The Quran's acknowledgement of the skin's role in pain perception, even in a metaphorical context, demonstrates its understanding of the human body's remarkable sensory capabilities. Beneath the ocean's surface, hidden from our view, lies a world of wonder and complexity. The Quran alludes to this hidden realm in verse 2440, stating, "Or they are like darknesses in a vast deep sea, overwhelmed with waves, above which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others." This description, while poetic, aligns with the oceanographic phenomenon of internal waves. Internal waves, unlike surface waves driven by wind, occur within the ocean's depths due to differences in water density. These massive, slow-moving waves can be larger than surface waves and play a crucial role in ocean circulation and nutrient transport. The Quran's imagery of waves, above which are waves, evokes this layered reality within the ocean depths, suggesting an awareness of these hidden movements centuries before modern oceanography. The human brain, the most complex structure in the known universe, is a testament to the wonders of biology. While the Quran doesn't delve into detailed anatomical descriptions, it does mention the frontal lobe in a metaphorical context. Verse 96:15-16 describes a disbeliever as having his forehead branded with the word disbeliever, implying a connection between the forehead and one's beliefs and actions. The frontal lobe, located behind the forehead, is responsible for higher-order cognitive functions such as decision-making, planning, and judgment, essentially the seat of our conscious thought and actions. While the verse is not a literal description of neuroanatomy, the link between the forehead and disbelief aligns intriguingly with the frontal lobe's role in shaping our beliefs and behaviors. This connection, though subtle, prompts us to consider the Quran's nuanced understanding of the human mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the scientific facts mentioned in the Quran. From the universe's birth to the intricacies of the human body, we've explored remarkable connections between ancient verses and modern scientific discoveries. While interpretations may vary and science continues to evolve, the Quran's ability to inspire curiosity and wonder about the natural world is undeniable. Whether viewed through a scientific or spiritual lens, the universe remains a source of endless fascination, inviting us to explore, question, and marvel at its mysteries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the intersections of science, history, and spirituality.